Welcome to my informative presentation on how to set up connection with a Windows Server computer and also map a network drive on the main computer. I'll be showing you how to set up connection with a second PC that will act as a server for this network. There are many ways to connect to a server. First, through Windows networking. Second, through third-party software such as Teamviewer. The many things that can be done with the server computer are map drives and use them as virtual storage on the main computer, use resources on the server computer to save resources on the main computer, use a server computer for video and audio streaming, using a printer that is connected to the server computer and sharing it over the network. To set up connection on the server, you must first log into the server computer to gain access. Entering the credentials to log on to the server computer is a must. First, you must put the username and password in to successfully log in. I will now show you how to share hard drives to access them on the main computer through Windows networking. Right-click on the hard drive on the server computer. Next, click Share With. Then click Advanced Sharing. Click Advanced Sharing again, and then check the checkbox to share the folder. Last, you'll check permissions, make sure that full control, change, and read are checked. Click OK and close. I will now show you how to access these drives that have been shared on the main computer through Windows networking. Click the Start button, click Computer at the bottom left, click the name of the server computer. As you see, you have access to the drives that you've shared. I will now show you how to map a network drive on the main computer. PC World states, put a file server or network attached storage appliance on your LAN, and Windows Explorer will enable network users to browse the shared files. The reason to map a network drive from a server is because it allows easier access to any network drive, so that saving files is just as easy as if the hard drive was connected to your computer. John Joyce from Universal Naming Convention and Drive Mapping from Scientific Computing states how to map a network drive. You're going to need to click the Windows Start button, click on Computer, click the Map Network Drive icon, choose a new drive letter for the Map Network Drive, click Browse and find the shared network drive you want to map, click on Server, click on the drive you want to map, click OK, and then click Finish. One main reason to use third-party software like Teamviewer is to save on resources on the main computer. Using Teamviewer helps keep the CPU resources on the main computer down to a minimum, while having the server computer do all the work. Using Teamviewer on the main computer also helps prevent overheating of the CPU. With Teamviewer, you do not need to be on a network to gain access to the server computer. One main reason to use third-party software like Teamviewer is to save on resources on the main computer. Using Teamviewer helps keep the CPU resources on the main computer down to a minimum, while having the server computer do all the work. Using Teamviewer on the main computer also helps prevent overheating of the CPU. With Teamviewer, you do not need to be on the network to gain access to the server computer. This can be done on a computer with Teamviewer and an internet connection. Now we're going to set up Teamviewer. Go to teamviewer.com, click Download, download it. Once Teamviewer is finished downloading, click on the file to open the setup. Once the setup is launched, make sure basic installation and non-commercial personal use are selected. Click Accept and Finish. Once the installation is complete, we want to sign into our Teamviewer account and access the server computer. Click on the server computer to launch Teamviewer. There are many reasons a person would want to use another computer, and I have shown you a few reasons why and how to connect to a server computer using Windows and Teamviewer.